Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we did have CPI data yesterday which gave us a fairly strong bar, but it's been met with mixed emotions. But if you just look left, I don't want to put all the levels in here, but I need to put 3 in. If you just look left, you can see all these levels. Each one of these fractals is a level that is going to offer potential resistance. So we need to break through that zone and come back and test it before we get too excited about this move. But nevertheless, let's just get down to the lower time frames, and you can see we sort of tagged this upper level at 108,970 and then immediately reversed off, formed a bit of a triangle. That's a bullish triangle at the moment. Oscillator's not playing ball with us yet. Drop down to the hour, and you can see pretty much a big up, big down there. So I'll be a little bit cautious about this at the moment. There's another solid level down here on the hour, and that is at 108418. Oscillator's looking quite nice. This is ranging, so break of 108753 and retest gets me long, and I would probably take profit again at 108970. I don't think the 15 minutes is going to change that view. You can see it's a 1 15-minute bar, and then a gradual pullback here. There's a bit of chaos that happened yesterday, but that's still the structure I'd wait. I'd wait for this range to break. If the range breaks, come back and test here, then that's the trade I would be taking.